Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalagi Anirak Suba Churchanpur Khongchatta New Jalan 5 Village ta Nauna Sakiba Pre-Fabricated House Amadi Creche Center Sangakre. State asida tangdu leitaba puraknaba leingakna paikhatpa thaurangi manung channa lanjana duna leidiba sing masagi mayum-mayumda hanjinnaba thabak paikhatli haina governor na phongdokhi. Governor na sangakiba pre-fabricated housing asida miyoi chani rom leigadabani hairi. Thoramaduga mari leinana Governor A.K. Valan hai chahi ani helaba irang asida lanjenariba miyamda fauriba China Kangi Hairaduna Relief Camp to Labada Tengnaramgadaba Kudong Chadaba Singi Matangda Nungaitaba Wafam Pongdoki. Amadi Lanjel Naduna Ladyba Singna Pre-Fabricated House to Labada Tengnagadaba Kudong Chadaba Sing Kokhanaba Mari Lainaba Deputy Commissioner Ga Tanaduna Paikat Payaba Sing Paikat Kani Haiba Tazabasu Piki. Tung the Governor na IDP Singda Mompak Amadi Angang Singda Acha Athak Yantoki. Loina the Deputy Commissioner gi Office da District Asigi CSO Singa Tungan ba Hiram Singi Matangda Kananay na ki.
As Governor, I would like to say that I want that peace should return quickly and all of you should be able to go back to your homes as early as possible. And government is working for the peace talks among different leaders, among different communities to ensure that peace returns to the state and everybody comes back to where they used to live and engage in whatever they were doing. It's sad that for 2 years people have been living in the camps and here 6 months back these prefabricated units have come up, where some of the families have shifted. Though it may not be like your own house, but that's what initially we thought, that such units will become privacy and some accommodation with some infrastructure which will make you comfortable.